In this video, I'll show you how to change background on Canva. Start by selecting the image in your Canva design. Click the BG Remover tool to delete the current background. Then, go to the Edit menu and choose BG Generator. Write a descriptive prompt for your desired background. Click Generate to let Canva's AI create multiple background options. Browse the generated images and select the one that fits your vision. To enhance the lighting, click the sun icon and choose it. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the new background. That's it! If this tutorial helped you transform your design, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.